So guys, guess what I'm doing? I'm actually outside right now. The evening is good. The sun is still out, as you guys can see. On my, porch, aka my veranda. I'm taking product pictures for my website. I'm doing over the palettes. They're right here. We actually have the nude palette down right now. I have a ring light, just to make the white paper look a little bit brighter. It's a big paper. I got it on Amazon. I'm gonna take the rose water next, and then we have our setting powders that I'm gonna take, and the base. So if the sun is in, then tomorrow we will come back again. I have the 2 size rose water, but I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Yeah, pictures are not bad. I actually use a camera instead of my phone. Let me show it to you. This camera is good. So the pictures are on it. I will insert some pictures and show it to you guys. I don't know how to big it. Oh, see there, big it up. So I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Yay! Look at that. So we have pictures for Instagram and our websites for promoting and all of that. So yeah, I did a good job. And this is how I take it. I put the camera down. This is a very good lens. Chrissyne bought this lens for me. Very, very good product. And if you guys notice on my Instagram, my pictures are, the quality is different. I start using a camera. This is my first A5100 camera, my first Sony camera, and a lens that he bought. I think the lens is almost $600 for the lens only. And yeah, I absolutely love it. So this is what we use to take our pictures now. The lens is close up, so you have to see at a distance, else it will blur everything. But yeah, I'm gonna finish taking some more. I'll insert some pictures so you guys can see. So see, I'm outside. Yeah, upon the people I'm outside. I'm kidding. But I'm super excited because I know I could do it. I was just being lazy. But I'll keep you guys posted. Alright guys, so this bottle I have to, basically put it to stand. So I have to go down, try to focus the camera and see what's the best way to take the picture. So because the lens is a bit blurry, I have to stay at a distance. These are new products. These are the Make It Pop eyeshadow base primer. Really nice, thick, really thick. So we need to add these on the website. Guys, this is time consuming, okay? Gonna do the, oh, my feet hurts. We're gonna do the contour palette. I ensure that around the edges are clean, so when we take the pictures, and these palettes are for just taking pictures, so we're not gonna use these because we always want it to have that new look. So let's see. Oh, my knee, my head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes. So I need this to be open. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna have to try to take the picture where the back right here is not showing.
Guess what? Whenever you pick up our clothes and make everyone Yes, I am.
I like these. Alright guys, this is a lot of work, you know. You have to move up and down. Whew, child. Alright, we have to try and turn this another way. Just, yeah, that's better. See, you have to move all around just to get it perfect. You need to straighten that. Guys, I think this is taking the picture so beautiful. Alright. Oh, child, let me tell you something. Hard work ain't no joke. Alright, let's work with the blush palette. My favorite blush palette of all times, okay? Because you know why? I can freelance with this palette and use any color I want for my shade. Oops. Alright, there's a reflection of me. Oh. Oh,